that cave. Kita ko ang cave. Where's the cave? Yes. And the cave is so nice and it's so great and it's so amazing. I so love it. I so love the beach even though limestone na siya. Limestone all over this place. Buliwan Beach Resort. I can tell you one thing about this place. Buliwan Beach and Jurassic Park, which is ang Carmen known for Jurassic Park. May hand, nasa aking video.
Wala on napil.
Known ang Carmen for Jurassic Park, but also, it's pa-develop na niyo much more into a bigger place and naghan na yung mga visitors na ma-attract alin. Many people will come here and Buliwan Beach Resort. At it's super nice area. I think this is the only beach which has a white sand. Although it's not a sand, it's a stone, limestone, pebbles and everything. But it's still nice. It's so amazing. I so love it. Napag-ilig cave na sure tayo. What about cave? Yeah. So, it is so great, so nice, so amazing. It's perfect for graduation, after parties and everything. As long as hindi lang magbanha-banha din because as what we've known that Carmen is a virgin, has a virgin sea. So, hindi dapat mag-kaba-kaba ang mga tao. So, we're going to climb.
Sabi po. Di na taagi ka eh.
Okay. I have my tour guide slash cameraman here. Okay.
Sabi po.
The beach is really great and so amazing.
Sabi po. Sabi.
So, before we cover this whole area here, we should have to say tabi po. So, it's a term, it's a usual term for Tagalog na tabi po for us Filipinos believe with a lot of elementals whenever we are
Those.
a stranger in a certain place. So we have to follow the rules and we have to follow that kind of tradition. Anyway, wala man tayo mawala.
Pero ka naman eh. Sabi nito. Wala ito. Wala pa na eh.